guys, welcome back to another 2-minute tip. 2-minute tip. What are we going to talk about? I don't know. Let's just hop right into it. I'm going to zoom you guys in and let's get into it. Yeah. I recently picked up the new Maybelline Superstay 24-hour foundation from the store. I wanted to try it out for you guys. And I thought, what better way to try it out than to use it during this week's 2-minute tip, right? Why? Because so many people have issues with their foundation, with their with it staying, with it being the right color, etc. So I was thinking of all of the things that could contribute to your foundation not working. There's so many things that could contribute to it. One of the things, though, outside of skincare, which I absolutely am a fiend about skincare, but we're not talking about that right now. We're talking about another contributing factor to your foundation being able to do what you want it to do. And one of those things is your primer and your foundation and it matching. When you buy foundation and when you buy primer, it is really important for you to make sure that your primer and foundation go together. Just like oil and water separate, they don't work well together. It's the same with your foundation and your primer. If you buy an oil-based foundation and a water-based primer, you're going to have problems. Your foundation is not going to stay. If you buy, vice versa. What did I just say a second ago? So, the reverse of what I just said. What can help you to figure out how to buy it? Well, you're going to have to look at the ingredients. Stop, take your time, pay attention to the ingredients. And while you might look at the ingredients and say, well, I don't understand any of what I am reading.
Look at this coverage, Maybelline.
When you look at a product that is primarily silicone based, you're going to look at the back of the, let's just take a look at the Maybelline 24-hour Superstay foundation that I just purchased.
With my hard-earned coin, BT dubs.
Okay, so when I look at this, I see cyclopentasiloxane, I see aqua, water, and then I see a lot of XANEs, isododecane, dimethicone. Dimethicone is really the big thing that says to me, oh, this is a silicone. When you see those cones at the end, when you see XANE at the end of your ingredients, then that's a big red flag that is a silicone based foundation. And so then you should try to find a primer that is silicone based as well. Some water based products will have dimethicone lower in the ingredient list. And that tells me that there might be a little bit, but it's not enough to say that it is a silicone-based product. If it's a silicone-based product, you might look at the product and it'll say water as the first ingredient. That's not indicative of it being a a water-based product, because water helps the foundation or whatever it is that you're using to have that liquidy consistency. So if you see water at the first one, don't automatically assume that it's a water-based product. Look at the rest of the ingredients, especially the ones that are more towards the top. And if it has those cones and those XANEs at the end of the word, then you know that it's a silicone-based product. Match your foundation to your primer, and that is going to help your foundation to stay. That is going to help it to look good. It will not run away from your face, and it will do what you tell it to.
Boom. Yeah.
All right, guys, that's my 2-minute tip for today. Yes, I have been using and loving this Maybelline 24-hour foundation. If you have not already gotten it, tell me what you think about it when you do, or tell me what you think about this look right here, because you saw me go from my regular face to, and I really didn't put anything else on my face. Okay. Those little hairs that want to fly all up in your face. I really didn't put anything on my face except for primer and foundation. Yeah, so let me know in the comments what you guys think about this foundation. And let me know what you think about this week's 2-minute tip. Did you already know about the different foundations? Did you not know about them already? And if you did not know, why have you not subscribed? Y'all, Just like any other video, if you like this video, make sure you click the like button. If you did not like this video and you click the thumbs down button, make sure you leave me a note of constructive criticism letting me know how I could have made this video better for you. If you really like this video, make sure you click on that subscribe button, and I'm going to leave another video right there for you to watch.
Thank you. For all the OCD people.
I'm going to leave another video right there for you guys to watch. I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you have a beautiful day. Subscribe, y'all. It's the right thing to do.